sequence root 3, 3, 3 root 3 is 729. Okay, see, ఈ series లో 729 అనేది k term అవుతుంది. Okay, write given series first. Root 3, 3, 3 root 3 so on. Okay, 729. Here say a1 is root 3. Root 3 a1 అనుకోండి, a2 equals to 3 so on. This is the term say an 729. Now we will find the value of n. Okay, so first find the common ratio. R equals to a2 by a1. a2 by a1. a2 value 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 value root 3. 3 by root 3 value root 3. Now we will find an. What is the nth term formula? Nth term formula an is actually first part is given an value 729. So nth term formula a into r power n minus 1 equals to 729. A value root 3 into r value also root 3 power, okay, n minus 1 equals to 729. Okay, now see, this is of the form a power m into a power n. So here nothing is there. Here a is power 1 unnattu. So a power m into a power n undi kabatti a power m plus n equals to 729. How to write 729? In fact, so 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 3 3 is 3 8 is 3 1 is 3 27 times, 3 9 times, 3 times. So 3 power 6. So root 3 power here 1 minus 1 cancel, n equals to, again 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. 3 can be written as root 3 square root cancel then 3. So power how much is there? 6 is there. Okay, next. So root 3 power n. Root 3 power n equals to, this is of the form a power m into a power n. So a power m times n, 2 into 6. So root 3 power n equals to root 3 power 12. So a power m equals to a power n. So n equals to 12. So 12th term of the series is 729.